All right, guys, today we have Ryan. All right, cool, Ryan. Any issues today, Ryan?
Nah, nothing crazy. I was just looking to get adjusted. I sit up, like a good amount every day, and I'm trying to get better posture.
Ryan's traps got a lot of traps, right? So typically when people have posture issues or kyphosis, what it could develop is really tight traps, weak posterior deltoids, weak rhomboids.
Oh my God. Oh. That's crazy. That was a lot in there.
Yeah.
Wow.
Drop a little more.
Oh. Oh. Man. Oh.
Man, Ryan, been doing, man.
Yeah, that's the one right there.
All right, stand on up. How you feel?
Man. Ready to get active now. Ready to move.
Let's go. Let's get active.
Kick pain. Get well at the Miami Spine Clinic.
All right, guys, today we have Ryan. Ryan, tell him what you do.
I do HR.
Ryan does HR, another HR person. So any issues with HR, y'all holler at Ryan. Ryan clean your whole house for you. Okay?
I don't know about all that, man. I don't know about all that.
Fire everybody. All right, cool, Ryan. Any issues today, Ryan?
Nah, nothing crazy. I was just looking to get adjusted. I sit up, like a good amount every day. And, I'm trying to get better posture. So
yeah, so right now,
basics.
If you want to come in here and look a little closer, Ryan's traps got a lot of traps, right? So typically when people have posture issues or kyphosis, what it could develop is really tight traps, weak posterior deltoids, weak rhomboids. So Ryan, to get that posture straight, we're gonna have to essentially come like open this up like so. There we go. Okay. So in order to do that, we're gonna need to get that chin back. So I'm gonna get that chin, there we go. So you want those shoulders lined up with your ears. But we're gonna have to stretch these traps, strengthen these posterior deltoids, and stretch your pecs too, okay? Left side. What side feels the tightest to you, Ryan?
Probably the left.
Yeah, that left side. You're gonna go left up high. Let your head drop for me, Ryan. Let it drop, let it drop, let it drop.
Oh my God. Oh. That's crazy. That was a lot in there.
Yeah.
Wow. Oof. Man.
Ryan's like, I'm good to go now.
It's not like that.
All right, just sit back, sit back, sit back. We got you, we got you.
That's crazy.
That's that computer, man. You got to make sure your ergonomics are right. So you guys that are working on computers a lot, make sure your ergonomics are right. You don't want to be looking down too much, looking up too much. Let your head drop from you, Ryan. Let it drop. A little more, a little more. There you go. There you go.
Oh. Oh. Man. Yo, wow. Is that all the vertebrae in there? Like,
that's a lot.
For real?
That's a lot of stress. That's the HR work, man. All the HR people. When they stress you, you come here, we got you.
Yo, say less, man. Say less.
Yeah, Ryan's really stressed up top here, man. Like you can see this, all this right here, it's got to get broken up. Ryan, you stretch, you foam roll, anything like that?
I stretch sometimes.
Sometimes.
Just like basic, nothing crazy.
Ryan's a young dude, man. When I was young, I ain't stretch either. So
Yeah.
go in the gym, you lift the weights as heavy as you can,
Yep.
and you figure the rest out later.
Yep.
So just relax.
Oh.
Man, Ryan, what you been doing, man? Just relax on me. There we go. There we go. How we doing, Ryan?
Man, we're doing good, man.
Just relax.
Oh, yeah, that. That's the one right there, bro. Oh. Man. Bro, appreciate you. Appreciate you. Do you like get these done on you? Like
Yeah, my dad's actually a chiropractor.
Oh, where?
Yeah, I've been getting adjusted my whole life.
Mm-hmm.
So it's like
That's a good feeling to
yeah, it is. My dad, my sister, my brother.
Oh, yo.
Yeah, I'm the best though.
I already know.
Yeah.
Oh. Man. That's good, man.
Any ankle surgeries, knee issues, anything like that?
No ankle surgeries.
Yeah.
No knees. Nothing.
You play any sports, anything?
I mean, I'm a little active.
Yeah.
I do a lot of hit stuff.
How to hit stuff? Oh, cool. Cool. Just relax. Young folks, stay active. Gotta stay active. There you go. Just relax, homie. Just relax. I got you. Just relax.
What was that?
Shoulder.
Oh.
You've been adjusted before though, right?
Like one time.
One time. Did they do all this?
No.
What? You know where you went? You don't gotta say it.
I mean, I'm not like from here, so.
Where you from?
I'm actually from Virginia.
From Virginia. Okay,
yeah,
cool.
Spot up there.
That's what's up. Just relax, homie. Just relax.
Oh. Yeah, they didn't do that.
Yeah, when you're active, man, you're young, homie. This elbow is fucking locked, man. Oh,
That's my baseball elbow.
you play baseball?
Yeah.
I asked you what you playing sport. You say you active, man.
Well, I don't like play anymore.
you
Back in the day.
You threw a lot of baseballs with this arm. You see how this goes? This does not go
Back in the day.
back in the day. Man, yeah, I don't even think I'm gonna throw it just this. This needs a lot of soft tissue work. Yeah, that's not moving at all. That's how my dad's arm is. He plays racquetball.
Oh yeah, I mean it's the same thing.
Yeah, he plays racquetball.
It's like that tennis elbow.
Mm-hmm. This one too. All right. That's why your shoulders were like that.
Really? So your elbows got to do shoulders, or you mean just
all,
like a baseball?
all that baseball throwing, rotated cuff, all that type of stuff.
Yeah.
All right. Stand on up. How you feel?
Oh man. Ready to get active now, man. I'm ready to move.
Let's go. Let's get active. Let's go. All right. You're good to go.